Single pair Ethernet is a technology allowing us to run low bandwidth devices at greater distances up to and exceeding 1,000 meters. It's going to require certification testing as well. The testing is slightly different, but the process is going to be the same. Your test pro can accommodate single pair Ethernet testing at these lower frequencies just by adding the single pair Ethernet test adapters. And you'll see some of the test parameters are similar to what we see in a 4-pair cable. Let's take a look at a single pair Ethernet test. I've got my Test Pro main and remote units at opposite ends of a single pair Ethernet link. I've already got my test project set up, but I'll show you where to find the limits. When you've got your single pair Ethernet adapters inserted, you can go into that test profile just like you do with a 4-pair, and we'll look at the limit. Now you'll see fewer limits in here because most of the limits that we use with the other adapters don't apply here. We've got the IEEE limit here, we've got an ISO IEC limit, and we've got the TIA limits here, which is what I'm using today. Single pair Ethernet channel, and we can see our shielded and unshielded single pair Ethernet channel limits here for 400 meter and 1,000 meter limits. I'm already set up, and I'm going to go ahead and run my test. What I'm going to do is connect to the cable. As soon as I connect, we get a live wire map just like we do with the 4-pair. I'm going to click auto test. And when the test is complete, we see our results. We see the summary with the length, delay, resistance, return loss, and insertion loss. I can look at my wire map. I can go to details just like I do with my 4-pair test. There's also a return loss locator in here as well. And you just save this test just like you would with any other copper test. And that is single pair Ethernet testing.